What's up guys, this is Dimantha 457 here with a brand new video. This time it's going to be a review of the Baseus Choc power bank. This is a 10,000 milliamp power bank with the price of 3,850. Buy the bank for a buck. And over here, let's start from the book. You have the Baseus logo. You have power bank Choc here with the thin body with the big capacity, 10,000 milliamp hours again. Comfortable hand feel sorry, comfortable hand feel, light and portable, dual input, type C and micro. So basically you could charge this with two ports. And here's two ports. Over here they have a barcode, and then they have the manufacturer labels over here. Designed by Baseus, made in China. It's a Chinese product. 2000 things on that side. That's it. So the next side they have the Baseus based on user. This is Baseus. That's all they have on that. And to the back you have a picture of a, I don't know, cupcakes, muffins. You have an iPhone 10, and you have a coffee cup with the power bank. And you have over here, okay, I can see it, with 50 centimeter micro data cable. They give you a micro USB cable along with this. Sorry guys, I'm not feeling so good today, but then I had to drop in the review. So more product specifications: 3.7 volt, 5700 milliamp hours, and power rate, capacity, efficiency, and blah blah blah, a lot of signs. You have the Baseus certification logo sticker over here. And let's get inside this. So, oh, and I gotta tell you about this. It's a hanging product. You can hang this thing from there. So let's open it up and drop in. You have this nice plastic casing they give. It's quite hard. You have the instruction manual, basically gives all the specifications of the and faulties, how you can get along with them in both languages, Chinese and English. So that aside, and they give you a string or whatever you call this thing. You can use it to hang your power bank up on somewhere. The charging cable, micro USB with the Baseus logo on it, so it's a genuine Baseus product. And here we have the real deal, covered up in quality 18. Yeah, there you are, the Baseus power bank. It's actually slim and about the size of my finger, which is about one, not actually 1 centimeter. Almost the size of a phone though. Yeah, that you could tell. Again, at the back over here they have the ratings, the power capacity and all. And yep, at the top you see the dual inputs. They say micro USB, the USB-C, and this is the output, the USB cable output. And you have the charging indicators. So, and there you are. So this actually you should put into that, and then you can start charging your phone or any of your devices, whatever you use, the iPad, the tab, and any other device that you can use to charge. So this says a 10,000 milliamp hour battery. So let's get started with the charging process. I have my phone over there left. The cable, yep, it's a 50 centimeter cable. Just plug it in from over here, and then take your phone over the other side, plug it in, and voila, there you are. It's charging. You're at 78%. Well, I had my phone pre-charged, but I can just use it. So there you are. That's about it. And this indicators. So that's how it shows to you. It's too bright. Oh, there you go. So 4 clicks. 10,000 divided by 4 is, I suck at math, 2,500. Yeah, 2,500 milliamps per click. So you drop them and you drop the whole thing. My phone is a about 3,000 milliamp hour battery, so about 3 times you can charge my phone about 3 times with just one fully charged 10,000 milliamp power bank. So anyways, that's all for today's video. Yes, it's a short review and it's a power bank. What more can you get out of it? Right, so anyways, stay tuned for more and more product reviews, because yes, I have a lot coming through, but then I just can't find the time. I had to drop in this, I mean, with my sore throat and all in all, I still had to get to you guys, so I had to drop in this review. And well, anyways, this is Dimantha 457 saying adios, and we'll see you next time in another product review.